Does this situation with mess of papers and numbers look familiar to you? So old-fashioned, right? But modern times also bring another chaos. Even more different data sources available, a lot of information from your ERP systems, databases, and what should you really do with all that data? There is where our solution takes place. We're extracting information from your data and providing you with powerful insights. With our apps, you can improve your supply chain strategy based on data-driven solutions. Let me introduce you our smart, fast, and sophisticated tool. Let me introduce you Supply Chain Apps. They are #1 Office Analytics add-ins, fully integrated in Excel, and they are a must-have for every supply chain planning project. Supply Chain Apps transform Excel data into interesting and intelligent interactive maps. They help you visualize and optimize your supply chain end-to-end and eliminate hidden inefficiencies. From easy-to-use general workflow to best-in-class visualization with shareable maps, Supply Chain Apps have it all. And they have it a lot. Our apps are divided in 5 categories: supply chain visualization apps, network design optimization, transport optimization, predictive analytics, and warehouse analytics apps. Enter in our LogHub world of modern technology and logistics. Download and test supply chain apps for free. Excellency in supply chain is connected to data-driven decisions, which leads us to LogHub. Don't take anything less than excellent as an option. We sure didn't.